Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a secure folder on Android 16 with One UI 8.0. Scroll up to go to your apps. Scroll over, go to Settings, scroll down, and go to Security and Privacy. It says Auto Blocker and Permission Usage. Scroll down, and then under Additional Security Settings, you're going to go to More Security Settings. It says Secure Folder, Secure Wi-Fi, and more. Now, before I go any further with the video, I just want to point out that at some point, the screen of my video may go black. I'm not doing that intentionally. It just likes to hide certain information from videos. So if it does that, I apologize. I'm still going to read everything that shows up on my screen. Go to Secure Folder. It says Secure Folder, Enhanced Privacy. Keep your sensitive apps and data in a separate protected area of your phone. You can set Secure Folder to hide apps and prevent notifications when it's locked. Enhance your productivity. Add second instances of your apps so you can use them in different contexts. Hide Secure Folder for the most protection. When you turn off Secure Folder in the Quick panel, the Secure Folder app icon will be hidden and all apps and data inside will be encrypted for maximum security. Click Continue. Permissions for Secure Folder. Secure Folder needs these permissions. Calendar, used to sync calendar data between personal and Secure Folder calendars and to backup and restore calendar data such as events and tasks. Contacts, used to sync personal and Secure Folder contact data between personal and Secure Folder and to backup and restore contact data. Photos and videos, used to move files between Secure Folder and your personal apps and to backup and restore files. Music and audio, used to move files between Secure Folder and your personal apps and to backup and restore files. Phone, used to get your device ID for backing up and restoring data. Device admin apps, used to allow admin control of your phone. Appear on top, used to allow section of Secure Folder data during backup with Smart Switch. Click Next. Creating Secure Folder. It says select a lock type to protect your apps and private files. If you forget how to unlock Secure Folder, you can reset your lock using your Samsung account. So now you're going to select PIN, password, or pattern, but you can also turn on fingerprints under biometrics. It says add your fingerprints for your Secure Folder. To turn that on, just simply flip the switch to the right. I'm not going to turn that on, I'm just going to leave it as is. And then finally we have allow lock reset with Samsung account. It's currently turned off and I'm just going to leave it like that for now, but if you want to turn it on, flip the switch to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and select password. Set Secure Folder password. Remember this password. If you forget it, you'll need to uninstall Secure Folder and all of your Secure Folder data will be erased. Your password must contain at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put in a password and then click Continue. Enter the password again to confirm it. So I'm going to type it one more time and then click OK. Allow lock reset with Samsung account. If you forget how to unlock Secure Folder, you'll be able to reset your PIN, pattern, or password using your Samsung account. So you can click Don't Allow or Allow. I'm just going to go with Don't Allow for now. Now, if you're doing this and you plan on using it on a regular basis, you probably want to go with Allow so that you don't get locked out of it and you can change the password and such. But for now, I'm just going to go with Don't Allow. Of course, it's up to you which one you decide to go with. Don't forget your lock. If this option is turned off, you can't reset your lock when you forget how to unlock Secure Folder. Click OK, and then click Next. Choose what happens when Secure Folder is locked. You can choose Close all apps while locked. Apps in Secure Folder will be automatically closed when Secure Folder is locked. Apps won't be visible and won't send notifications until you unlock Secure Folder again. or you can select Allow Background Activity while locked. Apps in Secure Folder will continue running while Secure Folder is locked. Apps in Secure Folder will continue sending notifications and may appear in the same Share panel and other settings menus. So once again, you can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to leave it as Allow Background Activity while locked, and then click Next. Hide Secure Folder for more privacy. You can hide and unhide the Secure Folder app icon by tapping the Secure Folder button in the Quick panel. While hidden, apps and data inside Secure Folder will be encrypted. Apps won't be visible and won't send any notifications until you unhide Secure Folder again. Click Done. Alright, so the Secure Folder is now created, and it currently has Camera, Browser, Contacts, My Files, Gallery, Calendar, and Notes. If you click on the three dots right beside the magnifying glass, you get Sort, Hide Apps, Lock and Exit, Hide Secure Folder, Add Files, Customize, Settings, and Contact Us. Now, to add something to the Secure Folder, there's more than one way you can do this. If you want to add it from the Secure Folder, you're going to click on the plus icon to the left of the magnifying glass. It says Add Apps, Download from Play Store, Download from Galaxy Store, and then we have a list of all the apps that we have. You can select all if you want all apps to be added. To do that, simply click on All in the top right-hand corner. And as you can see, that selects all of the apps. Now, I don't want that because there's 121 apps, so I'm going to undo that by unselecting all. So find the app that you want to add. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go with Bingo Frenzy. So I'm going to select it, and then click Add. So as you can see, as soon as I do that, it shows up in the Secure Folder. So that's how you add an app to your Secure Folder. Now I'm going to show you how to add a picture or a video to your Secure Folder. There's two different ways that you can do this. You can do this from the Secure Folder, or you can do this from Gallery. To do it from the Secure Folder, you're going to click on the three dots to the right of the magnifying glass, and then go to Add Files. It says Add Files, Images, Videos, Audio, Documents, or My Files. So I'm going to go with Images, so I'm going to click on that. Now, as you'll notice at the bottom, it says Pictures, Albums, and Search. It's currently on Albums. I'm going to go ahead and set this to Pictures. So I'm going to click on the first icon. Now select the picture or video that you want to add to your Secure Folder. I'm just going to go with the first one, so I'm going to select it, and then click on Done in the top right-hand corner. Move file or copy it. If you move this file to Secure Folder, it will be moved from its original folder. Now select whether you want to cancel, copy, or move. I'm going to go with Move, which is going to move it over completely. If you click Copy, it's going to leave a copy in your gallery and then have a copy in your Secure Folder. So I'm going to go with Move. Now if we go to Gallery here, as you can see, the picture I just added is now here. So that's how you can add a photo or a video to your Secure Folder from your Secure Folder. Now I'm going to show you guys how to add a photo or video from your gallery. First of all, I'm going to go back, click on the three dots to the right of the magnifying glass, and then click on Lock and Exit. Now I'm going to scroll over and go to Gallery. Now, as you'll notice here at the bottom, we have Pictures, Albums, Stories, and Menu. So you can select Pictures, Albums, or Stories depending on what you want to add to your Secure Folder. Once again, I'm going to put mine to Pictures. So I'm going to click on Pictures. Find the picture that you want to add to your Secure Folder. Once you find the picture or video that you want to add to your Secure Folder, there's two different ways you can do this. You can click on the picture or video that you want to add and hold it until a menu pops up. So as you can see at the bottom, it says Create, Share, Delete, or More. Next, you want to click on More and then go Move to Secure Folder. So that's one way of doing it. Now the other way, you're going to simply click on the photo or video so that it opens. Now click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner and select Move to Secure Folder. type your password, and click Done. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go out of the gallery. Now I'm going to go back into the secure folder, type my password, and click Done. Now I'm going to go to Gallery, and as you can see, the picture that I just added is here as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and close the secure folder, so I'm going to click the back arrow, click on the 3 dots to the right of the magnifying glass, and then select Lock and Exit. So that is how you add a secure folder to Android 16 with One UI 8.0. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.